Go. Hey guys.
Ayan. Ito kasi sa ano. Ayan. Ito ang room number 1. Dito yung aking anak. Wow. Saan ilo na si Rocky? Ayan.
In the bathroom. What's the bathroom? Come on.
Ayan. Bathroom nila yan. Wow, ang ganda. At saka mga drawer nila yan.
Empty.
Drawer.
Next.
Ito, ang room for boys.
Boys' room.
Boys room.
Single beds.
Yeah. This one.
Another bathroom. Shower.
Yeah.
Toilet.
This is my
This is Mama's.
bedroom. Ayan. Ayan.
Still unpacking, innit?
Not yet. Doon. Ito ang toilet pero walang... Bakit walang ilaw? Can you turn that
It's
light?
inside, I think.
Tingnan mo nga kung saan yung light niya.
Here. Hey.
Ayan.
Toilet. Let's fix that.
Yan ang aming
Shower.
shower.
Mama's ensuite, innit? That's what you call that.
Yeah. Ito yung aming towel.
Towels.
Yan.
Bags.
Instead na si Mick, si Chloe ang kapalit.
Yes.
Yeah, instead of Mick, Chloe
No,
is...
go to the next one. My room.
Yeah.
Go to the grandson.
Your room?
Over here, this one. Shut door.
Is it?
Yeah,
This
open.
is your room? I can't.
Push.
I can't open
No,
it.
push.
I can't open.
You push, Mama, not pull. Right, turn the light on, Mama. Go on.
Where about?
There.
Here.
Just there.
Where?
Yeah, that one.
This?
Yep.
Oh, this is...
And turn the other one as well.
this one?
On the right.
This?
Yep.
Oh,
TV.
This is
Grandson.
Kyle's bedroom. Yeah, my grandson's
Nice.
bedroom.
Wardrobe.
I supposed to be in here, but I chose there. Where is the toilet?
She chose there because she likes the ensuite toilet.
Yeah, where's the toilet?
No toilet. That's why you didn't want this
Yeah, I don't
one.
like because there's no toilet.
Oh, let's go
in my
upstairs.
bedroom.
Balcony. Yeah, Mama, you go.
Yeah. Yeah, and then where is it?
Upstairs, yeah.
Upstairs. Yeah, you go. I don't know.
I'll show it then.
Ayan. Dito kami nag-celebrate ng birthday ng anak ko. Sa Marquez. Marquez sa may Morocco. Morocco ito.
You got one fridge here.
May fridge dyan.
And then we've got here.
Ayan. Ay, teka, may ano daw dyan, ipis, sabi ni Casey.
Just show them quickly.
Ayan, oh, ito ang balcony. Ayan, kasi gabi. Di ba guys, ang ganda.
Nice, isn't it? What's wrong there, Mama? Go on it.
Yeah. Ano ito?
Oh,
May dirty kitchen.
Oh, Mama, there's a cooking there as well. Look,
Oh yeah, there is, isn't it?
we got a barbecue up here, isn't it?
Mm.
And then show them over the balcony in the swimming pool.
Saan? Dito?
Left, yeah.
Which? Here? No, not there.
Yes, there.
Where?
Oh no, it is this side.
No, you can't see.
Oh wait, over here. Let me put my flashlight.
Okay. Tomorrow natin
Wait.
Tomorrow natin i-video yan. Ayan, oh. Ayan, dito kami.
Big, isn't it? Look,
Ayan, oh.
look down there.
Ayan yung swimming pool, oh. Kitang-kita yung swimming pool.
Yeah, guys.
Ang ganda. Di ba? Ayan, oh, gathering, big family there, oh. Kita nyo, guys. Di ba maganda? Anong sa inyo? Ba't ang init ng singaw?
There's no aircon in here.
Oh, asan, bakit hindi nyo lagay yung aircon?
Upstairs, upstairs, no aircon.
Maganda.
So yeah, guys.
Ayan, maganda talaga.
Hope you enjoy. Isn't it, Mama?
Yes. Ito yung toilet ng isa. Ito, oh, sharing yung toilet. Yan, ako, na ano na yan. Ano.
Michelle, look at the decoration.
Yeah, it's nice. Look.
Let's go.
Pababa na kami uli. Ito yung front nila. Front nila ito. Ayan. Ayan, may toilet sa baba. Ayan yung front door. Ito, another toilet. Asan ang ano? Light. Ayan, ang toilet. Oh. Ito yung downstairs na toilet.
What's the decoration there?
Ganda. Yeah, I just take that one already. Birthday. Ayan. Makita niyo yan.
Look at this.
Wow. Tingnan niyo, ang galing. Diba? Oh, Isabela.
Look, show them the door shut. Look at it. Look at it. Look on me. Step back. Step back. Let's see it.
Galing, ano? Sana ganyan tayo na sa bahay ko. My God. Ayan, nakita niyo, ang galing. Ayan siya. Sarap buhay nila, oh. Ito yung dining room. Ayan ang dining room. Ito, oh. Saan ang ilaw?
Quick. I'll show you.
Ang ilaw. Ayan. Uy, meron dun. Ano, bukas ko na. Ano, galing.
Turn the
Oh.
light on there.
Ay, ayun.
There you go.
Ayan, oh.
So sun lounge.
Asan ang ilaw dyan sa pool?
No, there's a cover now.
Ah, may
You can't see it.
cover.
We'll show them tomorrow.
Ah,
Let's get around there.
tomorrow.
Look at that free sun bed.
Oh, there.
Beautiful.
Yeah, there is a...
And then another look.
Oh.
Let's go over there. Come on.
Ang
Yeah, we
luwag
could go through
pala.
that door there.
Ang luwag.
Look, guys, this is another chilling spot, isn't it, Mama?
Galing,
Chilling only.
Dito, oh.
So yeah, and then
Napakaluwag.
this is another door to the kitchen. Mama, look.
Ah, saan?
Look, see?
Ay, oo nga, ano.
And then come on, Mama.
Saan pa? Ano dyan?
There's another bedroom downstairs.
Really?
Come on.
Ayoko na.
Yeah, look, it's nice.
Ah, ayan, dito daw, dadalhin tayo ni Kyle. Ang galing, guys. Bedroom, meron pa rito. O, saan? Ah, may bedroom nga. Kaya nga, by bedroom talaga. Ayan, o, nakita nyo, oh. Puno ng ano. Ito ang ba? Oh, ayan, o, bedroom. Extra bedroom. Ang galing, ano. Extra bedroom yan. Dito sa basement yan. Basement ito. So, it's almost how many bedroom? How many bedroom? 6? Isn't it? 6 bedroom. Ayun yung ano connection ng
Guys, that's
kusina.
it.
Ang galing, ganda.
Bye, guys.
Yeah. Ang galing, oh. Saan tayo dadaan? Diyan o doon sa kabila? Ayan, oh. Dito na lang tayo
Go
dumaan.
this way, Mom.
Ayan, dito na lang daw kami. This way. Ayan, dito kami dadaan. May daan dito. Yan sila, oh. Ayan kami. Ayan yung birthday. Hindi na naayos, oh. Ayan, nakita nyo na, guys. Ayan, ang aming binok dito sa Marrakesh. Ayan. Sa Marrakesh, ayan. Talagang ano, dito ang celebration niya. Family celebration. Ayan. Happy birthday! Ayan.
Yeah, so what, if you go twice a day, what do you do?
Ayan.
What do you do in the morning? In the morning? What do you have to do?
Kanya lang hindi siya makakagawa ng cake kasi nandito kami. Ayan, no cake. Ayan sila, oh. Advance na sila ngayon, oh. Nagiinuman.
So you're less time.
Inuman sila. Ayan, dapat nandito si Mick. Kaso, ayan. Hindi natin masabi ang ano. Kaya, hindi siya nakasama. Pero, kakalungkot nga. Ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang nanonood na ako ng telly. Ay, yung aking palang, teka, yung aking noodle. Okay guys, dito na lang, kakainin ko na yung aking pagkain.